If you've ever imported a clip into CapCut and realized the original sound is distracting too loud, or just not needed at all, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to remove original sound from a CapCut video using two simple methods. One method is the cleanest option for keeping your timeline organized, and the other is the fastest free option if you just want the audio gone right away. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the cleanest method. This is the absolute deletion method, and it's best if you want a tidy timeline with no extra audio clutter left behind. To begin, open your project in CapCut and look at the video clip on your timeline. Once you've found the clip, right-click it in the menu that appears, look for Separate Audio, or, in some versions of CapCut, Extract Audio. Depending on your language settings and app version, the wording may look slightly different, but the goal is the same: split the original sound from the video. Now, a quick note here, in some versions of CapCut, this feature may be tied to a Pro plan. So if you see a Pro label, that means the app is currently asking for a paid feature to separate the audio track. If you have access to it, you can use it for a cleaner workflow. If not, don't worry, because I'll also show you a completely free way to mute the clip in just a second. After you separate the audio, CapCut will create a new audio layer directly beneath your video clip. This is the original sound that was attached to the footage. Click on that audio track to select it, and then simply press Delete on your keyboard. The original sound is now removed from the timeline completely. This method is ideal when you want full control over your edit, especially if you plan to replace the audio with music, voiceover, or sound effects later. Now let's move on to the second method, which is the fastest and free way to silence original sound in CapCut. This method does not separate the audio from the video. Instead, it just mutes it instantly. That means your timeline stays simple, and you can remove the sound without needing any extra steps. There are two ways to do this. The first option is for the entire track. On the far left side of your timeline, look at the track header and find the speaker icon to mute everything on that layer. This is great if you want all clips on that track to be silent at once. The second option is for a single clip. If you only want to mute one specific video, click to select that clip on the timeline. Then go to the top right audio panel. Inside the Basic tab, you'll see the volume slider. Drag that slider all the way to the left until it reaches -infinity or all the way down to 0, depending on how CapCut displays it on your device. Once the volume is all the way down, the clip will be silent. This single clip method is especially useful if you're editing a longer project and only one section has unwanted background noise, original talking, or camera audio that you don't want included. Instead of changing the whole track, you can mute only the part you need. So, just to recap, if you want the cleanest possible timeline and your version of CapCut supports it, separate the audio and delete it. If you want the easiest free method, either mute the whole track with the speaker icon or reduce the volume of one clip to 0 in the audio panel. All three approaches will help you remove original sound from a CapCut video, depending on what your project needs. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.